Yo, what's up, what's up? Eto na naman tayo, ang bantay ng hip-hop at dadako na tayo sa episode 2 na usapang hip-hop, yo. At ngayon ay pag-uusapan natin ang kwento ng Oblax with Car Chaos and Smiley One. Kaya ano pang hinahintay natin? Tara na, let's go! Natin yung isa sa pinaka-finest na rap music sa Pilipinas, Oblax, Chaos of Oblax Music.
Yes.
Sir Carl, paano ka nag-umpisa na maging hip-hop sa Pilipinas?
Siguro I started way back 1990 pa when I started to try na sumula. And from then, sunod-sunod na just being consistent and persistent sa gusto mo. This is all about love, this is all about passion. But what is important once na you reach that point of being a hip-hop or an artist, you need to think of something to be able to bring the street knowledge into another level. That's what I'm trying to do right now. That's why I have a company right now, which is Opsitech Corporation. You can check it on the web. I'm just sharing it to you, not to boast, but to inspire everyone na walang imposible, nothing is impossible. We can always bring everything to the next level, to a higher level. What is important is the faith in God and being consistent and persistent in whatever we do. Always give your 101%. Oblax forever.
Sino nag-influence sa'yo na maging as a hip-hop?
Of course, malaki ang naging contribution ng mga dati nating mga hinahangaan at nire-respeto gaya nila Francis M, so on and so forth, local and foreign artists gaya nila Dr. Dre, Tupac, Snoop Dogg. But as you all know, unang nag-produce ng album to was Andrew E. Hindi naman kaila sa lahat yun. It was Andrew E who first produced my first album, and then the next is history hanggang binigyan ako ng chance ng Concord Recording Corporation, and then Star Records hooked me up to do the soundtrack of the movie Trip under Star Cinema, and the rest is history.
And paano mo nabuo yung Oblax as parang magkakapatid or family?
I'm so thankful because me, actually, nagkakaroon ng misconception because Chaos is my, my screen name during the time na ginawa namin yung Ghetto Dogs, because as we all know, I'm one of the original members of Ghetto Dogs. Actually, the name Ghetto Dogs came from me para sa kaalaman lang din po ng karamihan, lalo na sa mga hip-hop enthusiasts at yung talagang nakakaalam ng real hip-hop dito sa Pilipinas. The name Ghetto Dogs came from me because Ghetto Dogs is the English word of the word Askal Asong Kalye, which is part of my first album of Oblax, the Askal Asong Kalye, which is later on ginawang movie ng very respected veteran, multi-awarded action star natin na si John Regala. Napakalaking break din sa akin nun. And then doon na gumawa ako ng soundtrack with Jerry Craval for Sagot Ko Ang Buhay Mo, together with IPK, my partner, for IPK Oblax Music, which is now Oblax One Production. So the name Chaos is my screen name during the time na ginawa namin ang Ghetto Dogs because during that time hindi naman namin pwede ipakilala na kami. Ako si Oblax, siya si Andrew E. or so on and so forth. But I'm so thankful for what God has given me because laki ng utang ko sa rap industry, sa Pinoy rap music industry because yun ang nagligay sa akin sa kung nasaan ako ngayon. Maraming salamat.
Ako nga pala, siya nga pala yung unang idol ko sa RAP, yung taong ina mo.
Maraming salamat, thank
And
you.
fuck the Jutes, yo.
Maraming salamat, thank you for staying real to the game. Thank you so much. Oblax forever.
Peace out. Rock Guard in the house, yo. Yo, ito naman ang ito sa mga nauna sabihin natin unang rapper sa Pilipinas.
Sabi nyo, video pala yan, putang ina yan. Akala ko naman, natin, video lang tayo eh.
Para saan itong event na to?
Itong event na para kay Dato. Kami po ulit kong black, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, paano nabuo yung Oblax?
Nabuo ito. Operator. Yeah. Nani po na, dito na po na balilin ng Scouts Genetics. Nani po 95. Sama-sama kami nila Chaos sa mga bar, Limits, Idalu, Benji 4043, Ozone. Kaya yung mga libangan dati. Tapos si Carl, nag-arap na dati pa. Kasi yung mga tropa kami, mga nagbe-break. Yan, hindi pa namin na magtayo ng grupo kasi duro noon dati, nagkatayo na ng Ghetto Dogs. Isama-sama yung mga grupo natin na iba-iba para maging isang solid na grupo. Ayun, nabuo yung Oblax, ibig sabihin kalbo. Ang Oblax, kalbo. Ang Oblax, maraming kalbo. Sabihin, nabuo ang Oblax, solidified, 95.
Yeah. Alam niyo na ibig sabihin ng Oblax. Bakit mo nagustuhan yung rap music?
Shoutout sa mga kalbo na loyan. Shoutout sa Oblax. Ang rap music kasi totoo. Lahat real talk, lahat everyday life, man. Yung saying, hood ghetto, yung saying for real. You know, Caloocan, Batakang, street life. Ito pang area, you know what I'm saying? We rap God in the house. What's up, peace, man? Love you all.
Master Plan, Andrew E. Yung tatlong yan. Legit Misfits, yan. Yan ang mga meet tape ako na tapos pinapakinggan ko paulit-ulit. Tapos,
Inampun ako ni Master Shock and then after that, nakita ko ni Glock 9 sa isang show at inimbita ako maging part ng grupo nila dati kaya nagkaroon ng Hijack Glock 9 dati. And then,